Howdy y'all, and welcome to Tech is Here! Today we're gonna talk about the basics of containerized applications. If you're new to the world of containers, don't worry bro, we'll keep it simple and practical.
Wow!
By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of what containers are and how they're used. It's showtime, folks!
Yay!
Let's begin. So, what are containers? Containers are a way of packaging up software applications and all the dependencies they need to run into a single self-contained unit. Well, think of it like a lunchbox that contains everything you need to eat all in one place. Except if you're coming from my house, so you don't have anything to eat at all. Why use containers?
Why do you use them?
One of the biggest benefits of containers is that they allow you to run the same application on different systems without having to worry about compatibility issues. Containers also make it easier to manage and deploy applications, since you can move them around as needed. For example, so let's say you're a software developer. You must be proud. Working on your new app. You create the app on your laptop, but you need to test it on a different computer. If you package the app into a container, you can easily transfer it to another computer and run it there, without having to worry about compatibility issues and whatnot.
Woo!
Hold up. How do containers work? Containers run on a host machine, using the host's operating system and resources. However, they are isolated from each other and from the host, so they can run their own processes and access their own file systems. For example, let's say you have 3 containers running on your computer. One for your web server, one for your database, and one for your app. Each container runs its own processes and has its own file system, but they all share the same host machine and its resources. In conclusion, containers are a great way to package and run software applications, and they offer many benefits, such as compatibility and ease of management and overall stability for your apps.
Awesome!
If you're new to containers, I hope this video has given you a better understanding of what they are and how they work. Thanks for watching, and just remember, tech is here, and it is here to stay.
Shut up!
Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.